Ever lost power deep in the wild when you needed it most? Today, we're unlocking the best portable solar panels for camping gear that keeps your phone charged, lights glowing, and coffee brewing under the stars. Welcome to the channel. Links to these must-haves are waiting for you in the description below. The number 5 product on our list is PPQ Portable Solar Panel. What if your camping gear could power your adventure and support a veteran's recovery? That's exactly why the PPQ Portable Solar Panel stands out among the best portable solar panels for camping. With its 200-watt output and 24% conversion efficiency, it charges devices and power stations faster than expected, even in off-grid conditions. The foldable briefcase design is more than stylish. It's functional, lightweight, and easy to carry. Real users love its 16 output options and versatile adapter set, making it compatible with nearly every battery or device. Its military-grade 7-layer structure gives peace of mind in harsh weather, while certified safety standards deliver worry-free use. Pros: power, durability, and purpose. Cons: slightly bulky for backpackers. For campers, RVers, and anyone who wants power with a purpose, this one's worth every cent. Number 4 is Renogy Portable Solar Panel. Ever seen a 400-watt solar panel that folds like a suitcase yet powers your campsite like a pro? Meet the Renogy Portable Solar Panel. Crafted for campers who want zero compromises, it's one of the best portable solar panels for camping thanks to its compact 30-pound build that hides powerful grade A+ solar cells inside. Setup is a breeze with aluminum kickstands that unfold in seconds, and its IP67 rated protection means you can camp through rain, wind, or snow without worry. What sets it apart is real-world durability paired with Renogy's 3-year coverage and 10-year power guarantee, something few panels in this range offer. If you're tired of panels that fail under pressure, this one delivers tested reliability and long-term peace of mind. It's a solid pick for serious adventurers. The third one on our list is ZOUPW Portable Solar Panel. What if your next camping trip had a power source so compact yet powerful it felt like bringing the sun in your backpack? The ZOUPW Portable Solar Panel redefines convenience in the wild. As one of the best portable solar panels for camping, it blends 100-watt efficiency with premium A+ monocrystalline cells that convert at an impressive 23.5%, perfect for cloudy afternoons or wooded trails. It's built tough with an ETFE coating and IP67 weather resistance, while the smart controller protects your devices with overvoltage and heat safeguards. Weighing under 10 pounds and folding into a briefcase-like form, it fits effortlessly in your gear. For campers wanting reliability, fast charging, and smart versatility, this panel delivers. If you value durability and real-world comfort, this one earns our strong recommendation over flimsier budget options. On number 2 is Luvknit Portable Solar Panel. Did you know a lightweight foldable panel can charge a 500-watt power station in just 6 hours? The Luvknit Portable Solar Panel proves it's possible. Designed for real outdoor adventurers, this 100-watt panel blends high efficiency with a feather-light 8.6-pound frame, making it one of the best portable solar panels for camping in unpredictable weather. Its IP65-rated ETFE coating keeps you safe from splashes and dust, while the smart IC chip inside handles your charging needs with precision and protection. Whether you're recharging your devices or powering a mini fridge off-grid, it just works. The foldable magnetic design and kickstands make setup effortless, and the 6-in-1 cable ensures compatibility with almost any power station. For campers seeking peace of mind, we say go for it. This panel is efficient, durable, and worth every cent. Now, moving to the last one is ALLPOWERS Portable Solar Panel. Ever imagined a solar panel that weighs just 13 pounds but delivers a massive 200-watt punch on your camping trip? The ALLPOWERS Portable Solar Panel takes the crown for real-world performance in wild environments, earning its place among the best portable solar panels for camping. With 22% efficiency and a compact foldable design, it fits in your gear like a pro, but charges your devices like a beast. Its 36.6V output is rare in this price range and works smoothly with most portable power stations using multiple adapter options. Whether you're off-grid in a motorhome or hiking deep into nature, this panel brings relief, safety, and power without compromise. Rugged IP66 waterproof nylon and smart folding design make it a no-brainer for serious campers who need reliable portable solar energy without the bulk. Among them, the ALLPOWERS Portable Solar Panel stands out as the winner for its strong 200-watt power, portability, and reliability. So, guys, this was the video about the best portable solar panels for camping. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.